So firstly what we need to do is open the key up, put your finger over there, give it a leverage and just clip that off. Key blade, you can slide the key blade out, move this little thing up so you can get a little bit of leverage, this key blade in there, give it a turn left and right, and then it just clips off. Then take the old battery out, put the new battery, slide the new battery into the little section there, just line it up so just press and it clips closed, and then you take the key blade, pull that down and then just slide it in position, the strip, and then it just clips closed.